Welcome back at it again. We're in the supermarket today and we're looking at a bunch of things. Some of the stuff that we can't find in the States. Like, I used to be able to get this tea from Fresh Farms. I don't see any more in there. They now start carrying another brand, which is right here. I just saw it. This one, which is I don't even remember which brand this is, or Caribbean something. And I think the Grace one tastes a little bit better. So I picked up like 4 of them. I was like, yo, I can't miss on that. And I accidentally bought some of these when I was at the store, Fresh Farms. These are instant, as in they're not really tea bags per se. You just pull it and you put the powder and you put some hot water on it and you serve it like that. So now we're in the store. We're gonna get some more stuff. I was thinking about getting a black cake to bring back home. We just got some coffee, the coffee section down there. So but yeah, it's not hard. If you live in Jamaica, you're not gonna spend too much money if you know how to shop properly, you know. So we got some coffee, you know, getting a little gift, preparing a little gift pack for the neighbors. And growing up, used to drink a whole heap of Milo, and they have the Milo, instant Milo them, but you can also get the package over here. Yeah, everything is here, man. Everything is here. My childhood is here. So yeah, I'll go through and see what else we can find. Suppligent was a big thing for me. I used to love the regular Suppligent, but this is not the usual can. They have a different can right now. I guess this is like the one you can just pop open and just drink straight from the can. Irish mash, yeah. And it's a busy day today. So I used to grow up on the Lasco. I don't know if you know Lasco. You know, all the yard people in abroad. You know, Lasco they enough. You know, enough Lasco. Can get it. Price not too bad though. So the Lasco is like, you know, not too bad. But yeah, we're there in our supermarket. Get some stuff. We just get some Tasties cheese. You know, the sliced cheese them, because I have a hard time I slice up the thing them. But everything then in the store within a Progressive. So you know, cheese them there galore. You know, but can't go wrong without the proper tasty cheese. Yeah. Alright, we're after some seasoning right now. Let's see if we can find some of that. No. Alright, fish seasoning, where there? I see barbecue, I see mix for bacon. I see Indian curry. I see the seasoning salt. All purpose. We need all purpose. I thought we had like 2 big one already.
Well, it's a different brand.
Okay, then grab that.
Fish is new.
But we need a bigger fish spice, right? So. But is that the right one? That's the one we normally check.
You should take this one. It's fish seasoning.
Okay, then it probably we'll have to just look for it. You know. See the onion powder, meat seasoning, salt, chicken spice, chicken seasoning. Yeah, man.
That might be all we have.
And then just you have to be thorough. Garlic powder. Another fish spice.
Should we take 2 fish spice?
Is it a big one you have? Same size? Okay, here it might just be that.
Let's take 2 of these.
Okay. Wait, what's the difference between the fish and the fish spice?
Salt, sugar, Jamaican pimiento, fennel, garlic, black pepper, celery,
Cumin.
citric acid. Oh, they're the same. They're just labeled differently. They're the same thing.
Do they look slightly different or anything?
They do, I mean, but I think it's just an optical. Like, it has the same things in it. There's no difference.
Alright.
Do you want to do any bacon?
No. I'm ready for bacon as a different thing, not mixed spice for bacon.
This is the one I think we have.
Oh, that's the one we have?
The one that we have looks
the
more
Grace?
orange. I don't think it's Grace, but it looks more orangey.
Oh, okay. But season there. Yeah, man, we'll go through the store car. We'll pack back. So fly back.
These lines are actually pretty long, so you might want to...
Come down this way. I'm gonna walk out to the people them way. Yeah. Another thing I grew up on is these digestive biscuits, cookies. I don't know if you know it, but I loved it growing up. Who know about Jello? And I know not about Jello, you know. Attesting a yard. Red stripe lemonade. Any chippies there on here? I grew up on butter kiss cookies. And the butter kiss sandwich them. Yeah man, all them things I grew up on. You know. Right plantain chips. Water crackers, you know, you get up on morning time, beat a hot tea with crackers, belch off the gas, and then we reach around to the spice bun then. See some national, yeah? This is the crack that we were looking for, we're searching for. We didn't need enough of them, yeah? Used to go to Yummy when Yummy was in Ligani to get my cornbread or the cinnamon roll them, you know. That's an old school business. How much more we need? We have 8. How much more we want? 12 more? How much? 20? Okay. That's 20?
That's 20.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's
Can you
fine.
grab one more for me to eat? Maybe one for tomorrow morning.
Here are people.
One for tomorrow afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Because we're taking all those.
Okay. Squat life. Me and squat people. Oh God. We need a week. What else we want? Well, you get the cheese. The digestive biscuit them. More digestive biscuit. Enough things there. So I go through. Another thing, we used to eat a whole heap of Shirley, but not quite this Shirley. These are the coconut one. Oh, see the original, yeah? I grew up on original Shirley. Mad things them. Yeah man. I mean I see no chippies in here, no chippies. St. Mary's banana chips, but St. Mary's banana chips not too bad, but chippies It's the original. I get a cran water. Alright. Oh, may I grab a Pepsi? And a cola champagne, eh? This is our cola champagne. If you know, the lady said she liked this. It's close to her Inca Cola. You know, the Peruvian likes the cola champagne and our cran water. I'm gonna grab what I tell blue sin thing. I don't want the blue sin thing, I want the regular Pepsi. Have you all ever seen this blue element Pepsi? I don't know if you can see that. That's blue. That's carbonated. This is a Pepsi, people. This is a Pepsi product. Look at that. Blue element. Interesting, no? Huh? You want a big job? Used to grow up on these as well, you know. High school, we get these. And then the country style orange juice. Orange juice in a box, people. Not many people know them thing there. But when it comes to fruit, natural fruit juices, you need the tropical rhythm. If you go to a Jamaican restaurant and you're not seeing a tropical rhythm in there, it's not a valid Jamaican restaurant.
We used to get big jelly patties.
Yeah? And then the bigger soda came afterwards. They're not a chubby in here. We're not seeing a chubby. For the little picnic them. Lucasade we grew up on when we were there at football field. It wasn't Gatorade. You know? Ginger beer. All these new things. Boom. Well, boom not new, but new to me. Yeah. Yeah, man. Things from the supermarket. You can get to Jamaica. And if you're too nostalgic or you get homesick, you can get the foreign product them. You know, your grape and thing, apple them, strawberry and things. You know. Then we have the lime and thing them and planting would have been nice now. Had a kitchen do some jibaritos. This is exactly what. This is like a double. It is a double.
Yeah, but it'd be perfect for a jibarito.
Yeah, it'd be perfect for a jibarito. For me at least. You know? Yeah, man. Supermarket walk. Let's see if they have any small tour of the liquor section. There's no drinking age down here, you know. So I'm done telling about the lemonade. When I see the sorrel one. Another thing I grew up on was the Malta. Original Malta. And Dragon Stout. You know, you make a peanut punch with the Dragon Stout. What else there? And you can get the wine them. I'll go around. You know the foreign thing them. You can get the foreign thing them. Be a foreign thing them. See proper stuff, yeah. These are the big buckle them. More foreign products. It's like they run out of the sorrel. Huh? Okay, man, go across. Alright. I'll be a lie. I'm not saying none of the sorrel them. It's like the people that done them. You know, these are all the products you can get. More bigger, more cola. You know. Another big thing is ting or grapefruit soda. You know. Big thing. Then you and Guinness, you know. I do them thing. And you know, you bring your dog, you can get some dog food. You know. Lifestyle living in a. You can pretty much get any and everything you wanted in Jamaica. If you live in Jamaica. So we're in Montego Bay right now. And this is the Progressive Supermarket. Plus them have a Mega Mart. Mega Mart is more like a Costco kind of thing. Well, not kind of like Costco, but it's kind of a warehouse, more like a Meijer kind of thing. Yeah, so yeah, I think we're done shopping now. I think we got enough products. So we're gonna try check out quick because it's long lines, you know. Long lines, you know, all up front to get out. So we're up and jump in our line and come out. Well, we're gonna hurry up and check out. So I hope you enjoy this little tidbit of our travels and adventures in the supermarket of Jamaica. Nothing big, but just wanna, you know, see what happens here when we're here. We visit, we do little shopping and pack a suitcase and go back. So hope you enjoy. Give it a like. Another treat that I grew up on is you know, drops, coconut drops, and on a peanut cake. But butter cookies and jackass corn. I don't know if you don't know about them thing there. Grater cake. It's a peanut drops, yeah, or peanut cake we call it. It's all peanut with sugar. Peanut with sugar. Yeah man, snacks them. Let's see. It's ridiculous. No, we don't need a card. Thanks. Yep. What you got in the bag?
That's a bun, spice bun.
I said I'm gonna pick up on that side. And so we just emptied the store all our spice bun, at least that one here. Love his spice bun, so I'll just leave the progressive. Alright, out again. Hope you enjoy this. Give it a thumbs up. Peace.